Hi students, we'll see an example of gamma distribution. Suppose that on an average, one customer per minute arrive at a shop. What is the probability that the shopkeeper will wait more than 5 minutes before both the first two customers arrive and the first customer arrive? Assume that waiting times follow the gamma distribution. Okay, what is given to us is average is one customer per minute. Okay, one more information is given here is probability that the shopkeeper will wait more than 5 minutes. Another information given here is first two customers arrive. So using this, we will solve this sum. Okay, what we will do is, we will take R equal to, so we will take R equal to, so this is a gamma distribution, right? This is a gamma distribution. So this is X is a gamma distribution with, so we'll do this sum, first sum. So X is nothing but our gamma distribution. Okay, so we should write X is a gamma distribution. Okay, what is X? X is a gamma distribution with lambda is 1. That is average is given as 1 and the first two, both the first two customers arrive. That is we are having R equal to 2. First two customers, right? First two customers. Okay, so first two customers, therefore R equal to 2. And what is lambda? Lambda is the average. Average is given as 1. It is given in the question. Therefore, our lambda equal to 1 and R equal to 2. Right? Now, we will try to solve the problem. R equal to, then it is given that probability of X is greater than 5. So, probability of X greater than 5. Okay, therefore integral 5 to infinitive, okay, f of x into dx. That will be integral 5 to infinitive. What is my f of x? Lambda to the power of r, e to the power of minus lambda into x to the power of r minus 1. Okay, the whole thing divided by gamma of r into dx. Now we'll substitute what is lambda. Lambda is 1. Therefore, 5 to infinitive, lambda is 1. What is my r? R is 2. E to the power of minus lambda is 1. Okay, into x to the power of r is 1. So 1 minus 1 divided by gamma of 1, r is 2, no? So gamma of 2 into dx. Right? We can simplify further. What is 1 square is 1, right? E to the power of minus x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is 0 only. Gamma of 2. What is my gamma of 2? Gamma of 2 is nothing but gamma of n. In general, gamma of n equal to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, here it will be 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 factorial. 2 minus 1 is what? 1 into 2 minus 1, 1. 1 factorial is 1. So, we are getting answer as 1. So, e power minus x to the power of 0 is 1. Right? By, okay, sorry, I did mistake here. X to the power of r minus 1. Right? R is 2. Right? X to the power of r minus 1, r is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, I will get x here. 1 square is 1, e to the power of minus x to the power of r minus 1. R is 2. So, r is 2, therefore 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Gamma of 2 we are getting as 1 into dx. So, we have to evaluate this. Very simple. What we will do is, we will make a column like this. Can do it always for the integration by, okay, for this I can take x, okay, differentiation of x is 1 and e to the power of minus x. Integration by parts, no, if you want to do integration by parts, this method is quite easy. Okay, if you write like this, it is very easy. You write d here and write I here, and what is given x. If you differentiate x, once more no, it becomes 0. So you can take x's in the differentiation column. And e to the power of minus x, if you integrate it, minus e to the power of minus x. Differentiation of x is 1, right? And what you have to do is, first you write alternative plus and minus, plus and minus. Once again, if you differentiate 1, it will be 0. So our this one stops here only. So no, don't proceed further. Okay, if you differentiate 1, it will be 0. No, don't proceed further. So you have to put one cross like this. Okay, and then like this. Okay, now it becomes easy to integrate. Now this will be first cross plus x into minus e to the power of minus x. So I will get x e to the power of minus x, but there is one minus here, no? So I am writing minus here. Okay, there is one minus and minus. So minus into minus becomes plus. So I will write plus integration of, what is this? E to the power of minus x into dx. Okay, x into minus e power minus x, I have written minus e power minus x, minus into minus becomes plus, integration of e power minus x, here it is, no, e power minus x into dx. Now we will substitute the limit. Limit is phi to infinitive, here also phi to infinitive, right? Upper limit, if you substitute here, no, e power minus infinitive, upper limit, okay, e power minus infinitive is 0, minus lower limit, minus is here. So lower limit is 5, okay, minus 5 e to the power of minus 5, right? Now upper limit is e to the power of minus infinitive, so e to the power of minus infinitive, this is infinitive only, no need to write this, minus lower limit. Lower limit is minus of minus 5 e to the power of minus 5. Okay, plus integration of this will be e power minus x. Okay, and minus will come. That is what there will be minus, right? So we will write as minus, and then the limit is 5 to infinitive, right? That's it. So this will be e power minus infinitive is what? 0. E power minus infinitive equal to 0, right? Minus into minus becomes plus. So you'll get 5 e power minus 5, okay? And same way here also, minus e power minus infinitive minus lower limit. Lower limit will be e power minus 5, right? Again e power minus infinitive is 0. You'll get 5 e power minus 5, right? And e power minus infinity is 0, minus of minus. Okay, this will be plus e to the power of minus 5. So you'll get 5 plus 1, 6, no? 6 e to the power of minus 5. Okay, you can see this e to the power of minus 5 table I have given it to you. Okay, you can see from the table. So it will be e to the power of minus 5. If you see from the table, it will be 0.0070. Okay, if you multiply these two, the answer will be 0.042. Okay, in the B question, just now we have solved the A question, no? Here the question is arrived as first customer. First customer is X follows gamma distribution. Okay, lambda is given is 1 for both the distribution, lambda is 1. But here R equal to 1. R equal to 1. Because it is the first customer. Okay, R is 1. Then again it is asked P is greater than, we have to find probability X is greater than 5. So integral phi to infinitive What is the PDF of gamma distribution? Lambda to the power of r, e to the power of minus lambda into x. Okay, then x to the power of r minus 1 divided by gamma of r into dx. And this will be nothing but integral phi to infinitive. Gamma is what? 1. Given, no? R is also 1. So e power minus lambda, sorry, this is lambda. Lambda is 1, r equal to 1. E to the power of minus lambda is 1. Okay, into x. Then x to the power of r is 1 given, no? 1 minus 1, 0. Gamma of 1 into dx. And this is very simple. Integral phi to infinitive. 1 to the power of 1 is 1 only. Therefore, e to the power of minus x. X 1 minus 1, 0. So I will not write. Gamma of 1 is also equal to 1. Okay, gamma of 1 equal to 1. So e to the power of minus x is alone remaining dx. Now it becomes very simple. So this will be minus e power minus x. If you integrate, limit is phi to infinitive. Okay, I'll write it here. It will be easy. Minus e to the power of minus x. Okay, this is phi to infinitive. Okay, minus e power minus x phi to infinitive. Okay, then this is, you can substitute the upper limit and lower limit, and you know that e power minus infinitive is 0, right? So e power minus x minus e power minus infinitive minus lower limit minus e power minus phi, right? Upper limit minus lower limit. What is e power minus infinitive? E power minus infinitive equal to 0. Right? We know e power minus infinity is 0. So the whole thing will become 0. So 0 minus into minus becomes plus, okay, e power minus 5. So simply e power minus 5, you can see from the e table, or previously we have done, no? That is 0.0070. Okay? Now we'll be seeing the beta distribution of second kind. That is beta distribution of, sorry, first kind. We'll not be seeing the second kind. Only first kind we'll see. Beta distribution of first kind. What is the definition of beta distribution of first kind? Okay, what is the definition? A random variable. Okay, a random variable x is said to follow beta distribution. Okay, a random variable x is said to follow beta distribution, okay, of first kind with parameters, okay, m greater than 0 and n greater than 0 if its probability density function is given by f of x equal to 1 by beta of m comma n x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x, okay, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1, okay, 0 lesser than x lesser than 1, 0 otherwise, okay. And then this random variable x is said to follow beta distribution of first kind with parameters m and n. Okay, we will see f of x equal to, what is PDF? It is nothing but 1 by beta m comma n x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x whole